Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Worship what transcends the void. Divinity has the last word in all. Surah 77, Ayat 50 of Al-Quran as its form of that teaching. It transcends all realizations. Prayers reunite movement. Divinity is beyond blood and soil. The chanting and offerings can benefit witnesses and not just the led. Scripture represents divinity. Self-control is how to approach divinity. Not all narrations are to be understood before acting or otherwise benefiting. Divinity can accomplish for us what is impossible for us to accomplish. Be fully engaged in life, but detached from the material side. God realization overshadows hierophany and epiphanies, to the point where worship is direct and unalloyed. Divinity acts beyond need. Sometimes truce with an enemy, or even working with them, is of self-interest. Certain processes make the resources of the world appear in concentrations and combinations for use. We think of some of the metals and the volcanoes and stuff. There are plans of divinity that all other scriptural beings wouldn't have came up with. The original form of any true scripture is from divinity. Nothing has power to benefit or harm even itself without divine permission. Devotees should try to gain control of the resources that enable worship. The marks of just battle on one's own part are as adornments. Avoid those who are independent in their identification. The eclipses are seen as Rahu and Ketu attacking the full moon and new moon. Rahu is hide, the north mode, and Ketu is the south mode, and it means indicate. Some beings must have respite, and this is regardless of whether or not nature has beings behind its forces and laws. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, all attractive, all pleasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.